Start in plank pose on the yoga mat. Shift the weight on the right side from your arm to your foot gently. Breathing should be normal. Then swing the left arm and left foot back and stack them over the right side. Place the left foot on the right foot as your left arm rests on your hip. Place the right hand slightly ahead of your shoulder. It's important not to compress your neck and keep it nice and long. Arms should now be absolutely straight, so you'll slowly raise your left arm perpendicular to the floor. Make sure the fingers point towards the roof. You can turn to gaze and look at the raised arm, but if it brings tension in the neck, then just look out directly in front. Exit the pose by exhale, come back to plank pose, and then repeat all the steps